Squad 3, Ambo 61. Structure fire, 4738 North Avenue.
Ouch! Let's go.
Squad, start on the top floor. Copy that. Everyone out, now! Fire's moving up too quickly.
Copy that, Chief. Go back! Mayday! Mayday! Fire's moving quickly!
We can drop a lifeline. Then do it!
You first! No! I got seniority, I call the shots. Go! This place is gonna go, Chief!
Gabby, get on that line and get out of there.
Ah!
We got you. Dawson!
There she is! Hold on, Dawson! Hang on. I got you.
I'm okay.